Hi, I am Shorty Biscuit, and today I am testing out making oatmeal with the 1.5 quart slow cooker and my Rockpals 300W power station. The tag on the slow cooker says maximum 110 watts. So we'll see how this goes and see how long it's going to take to actually make a single serving bowl of oatmeal. Here I have 1.5 cups of water and a cup of oats, and I'm just gonna let that cook on high until it's done. On high, I can see it's pulling 80 watts of power from the power station. I'm going to switch it to low. On low, it's pulling 50 watts of power from the power station. But that, of course, would take a longer time to cook. So I am going to leave it on high. And let's see how long before the oatmeal is done. So it has been about 45 minutes at least. And the Rockpals is down to 74%. It was about 99 when I started. Oatmeal is cooked. I probably could have used a bit less water in it, but this is definitely cooked. I had not been checking on it. I just kind of set it and forget it. But this is cooked, and I think would actually work for my breakfast in the morning. So I'll be adding my brown sugar. And some little bit of nutmeg. Sometimes I add apples, sometimes raisins. So there you go. Oh, this is perfect.